In today's fast-paced world, many of us are searching for effective ways to shed those extra pounds quickly while ensuring long-term success. This video will guide you through proven strategies that not only help you lose weight fast but also empower you to maintain your results for the long haul. We'll explore a variety of methods, from dietary adjustments to exercise routines, all designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. By the end of this video, you will have a toolkit of practical tips and insights that will not only help you achieve your weight loss goals but also ensure you keep the weight off for good. So, if you're ready to transform your approach to weight loss and embrace a healthier, happier you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the essential health and fitness tips that could transform your life. Let's get started. Step 1. Set realistic weight loss goals. Setting realistic weight loss goals is crucial for your success. First, define what fast means for you. Aiming to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week is a healthy and achievable target. This pace allows your body to adjust and helps prevent the dreaded yo-yo effect that often accompanies rapid weight loss. Next, consider your current weight and your desired weight. Take some time to assess where you are now and where you want to be. This will help you create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle and needs. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about how you feel and your overall health. Finally, write down your goals. Documenting your objectives not only helps you track your progress but also keeps you motivated. Whether it's a journal, an app, or a vision board, having a visual reminder of your goals can make a significant difference. By setting realistic goals, you're laying the foundation for sustainable weight loss that you can maintain over time. Step 2. Revamp your diet for weight loss. Revamping your diet is a vital step in your weight loss journey. Start by incorporating whole foods into your meals. Focus on fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense options not only provide essential vitamins and minerals but also keep you feeling full longer, making it easier to resist unhealthy cravings. At the same time, it's important to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-calorie snacks. These items often contain empty calories that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives, such as water, herbal teas, or homemade smoothies, to quench your thirst and satisfy your sweet tooth. Another key aspect of revamping your diet is practicing portion control. Being mindful of serving sizes can help you avoid overeating during meals. Use smaller plates, measure your portions, and listen to your body's hunger cues. By making these dietary changes, you'll not only support your weight loss goals but also cultivate healthier eating habits that can last a lifetime. Embrace this step, and watch your progress unfold. Step 3. Establish a consistent exercise routine. Establishing a consistent exercise routine is essential for effective weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Breaking this down into manageable sessions, such as 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, makes it easier to fit into your schedule. In addition to aerobic exercises, incorporating strength training at least twice a week is crucial. Strength training helps build muscle, which can boost your metabolism and enhance fat loss. You can use weights, resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats to achieve this. Finding activities you genuinely enjoy is key to making your exercise routine sustainable. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or joining a local sports team, engaging in fun activities will keep you motivated and less likely to skip workouts. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. By establishing a routine that fits your lifestyle and preferences, you'll create a positive relationship with exercise, making it an enjoyable part of your weight loss journey. Step 4. Stay hydrated and manage cravings. Staying hydrated is a crucial component of your weight loss journey. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day not only keeps you hydrated but also helps control your appetite. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider carrying a reusable water bottle to remind yourself to drink regularly. In addition to hydration, it's important to identify your triggers for cravings. Understanding what prompts you to reach for unhealthy snacks can help you find healthier alternatives. For instance, if stress leads you to snack, consider engaging in a relaxing activity like reading or taking a walk instead. Herbal teas or flavored water can also be excellent tools for curbing your appetite. These options provide a satisfying taste without added calories, making them perfect substitutes for sugary drinks. Experiment with different flavors to find what you enjoy most. By staying hydrated and managing cravings effectively, you'll be better equipped to stick to your weight loss goals and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Step 5. Monitor your progress and adjust as needed. Monitoring your progress is essential for achieving and maintaining your weight loss goals. One effective way to do this is by keeping a food diary. Tracking what you eat and your exercise routines can provide valuable insights into your habits and help you identify areas for improvement. This practice encourages mindfulness and accountability, making it easier to stay on track. Weighing yourself weekly is another important step in monitoring your progress. Regular weigh-ins allow you to observe changes over time and make necessary adjustments to your plan. If you notice that your weight loss has plateaued, consider revisiting your diet and exercise routine to identify potential tweaks that could reignite your progress. Celebrating small victories along the way is crucial for maintaining motivation. Whether it's fitting into a favorite pair of jeans or reaching a mini goal, acknowledging these achievements can boost your confidence and keep you focused on your journey. By consistently monitoring your progress and making adjustments as needed, you'll create a sustainable path toward lasting weight loss and a healthier lifestyle. Step 6. Build a support system. Building a support system is a vital step in your weight loss journey. Sharing your goals with friends or family can create a sense of accountability that keeps you motivated. When your loved ones are aware of your objectives, they can offer encouragement and help you stay on track, making the process feel less isolating. Joining a weight loss group or an online community can also provide invaluable support. These groups often share similar goals and experiences, allowing you to connect with others who understand your challenges. Engaging in discussions, sharing tips, and celebrating each other's successes can foster a sense of camaraderie that enhances your commitment to your goals. Additionally, consider working with a nutritionist or personal trainer for professional guidance. These experts can tailor a plan specifically for you, addressing your unique needs and preferences. They can also provide motivation and accountability, ensuring you stay focused on your journey. By building a strong support system, you'll create a network of encouragement that empowers you to overcome obstacles and achieve lasting weight loss success. In this video, we've explored essential strategies for losing weight fast and keeping it off. We began by emphasizing the importance of setting realistic goals, aiming for a healthy weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach not only fosters sustainable results but also promotes overall well-being. Next, we discussed the significance of maintaining a balanced diet rich in whole foods while limiting processed items. Revamping your diet is crucial for fueling your body and supporting your weight loss journey. Staying active is equally important. We highlighted the need for a consistent exercise routine that includes both aerobic and strength training activities. Monitoring your progress through food diaries and regular weigh-ins allows you to make necessary adjustments along the way. Building a support system, whether through friends, family, or professional guidance, can provide the motivation you need to stay committed. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can achieve our weight loss goals and embrace a healthier lifestyle.